am preparing carrot cake today, and that too vegan, with my sisters, one in Shimla, the other in Canada, and yes, Rajat will also join us. So before, I thought, I'll connect over a virtual call. I just wanted to share what all I am using today for my carrot cake. So maybe, if you have time at home, of course you must be having a lot of time and you want to bake some good cake for yourself, so why not give it a try. I'm using fresh grated carrots, that's oat flour, granulated brown sugar, that's almond milk, Himalayan pink salt, baking soda, a teaspoon of vinegar, olive oil, and cinnamon. And we will be soon connecting over call, and we will be soon baking, and I'm excited about it. Since now I'm gonna be in my split position for another 10 to 15 minutes. I get my food along, my snack along. Just simple apples peeled and sliced, and then added some peanut butter to it. They're light, and when I get busy back to back, like cleaning or cooking and then working out, and then I skip one of my mini meals, I just snack on them. They're good snacks. So since I'm going to be here for another 10-15 minutes, after all my cardio and stretches and everything, I sit and hold, and then take a 5-minute break and then eat my snacks. I do that, I know I'm weird. That's my peanut butter apple sandwich. Please find out time for workout. Also, find out time for your good nutrition, because it is the most important. Self-care and looking after yourself. I'll continue my split, my hold, and I'll turn the video off because मेरा music नहीं चलता है, and I so want my music when I work out. Bye. Well, stretch all the way to grab the phone.